Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Al-Ghazali bin Marahim. My metric number is 1211462. So today I will be presenting my job assessment and my job interview. So this is the advertisement requirement in the job advertisement. The first one is to have a minimum 2 years of experience of programming in ASP.NET using C# and RDBMS SQL for the version 2012 and above. Second one is have a good knowledge of programming or coding and debugging application in ASP.NET for the version 3.5 and above. The third one is must be familiar with object-oriented and analysis OOD and OOM method. And the next is candidate with good designing aesthetic will be preferred. The next one is to have a good knowledge of MVC, and the last one is the candidate must be a problem-solving candidate. So this is my cover letter for the job interview. My cover letter consists of my regard to the OmniNet technology and my interest at the job at the company, which the company site has been advertised on the official Twitter website. I included a little bit about my work experiences from my previous company and the achievements that have been accomplished. The next is my employee's recommendation letter. In this letter, my previous manager has mentioned my skills and how I have contributed throughout my working time at the company. The last one is my resume, which I have introduced my interest in software engineering, my education, my past experiences, my skills, and my expertise in the software engineering job scope.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afiq Syahmi bin Ahmad Bolkiah. My metric number is 1211561. Today I will be presenting about my job advertisements and my job interview. So let's get started. Okay, first, the job that I've been chosen for my assignments is Junior Electrical Engineering, which advertised by Petrofec, which is an oil and gas service industries companies. The first requirements is someone who have bachelor's degree in electrical engineering, and as we can see on the job advertisements, they offered 2 job positions for junior electrical engineer, and the third one is for sure it must be junior electrical engineer, and the last one is it needs to be a fresh graduate like me. This is the cover letter for the job advertisements that I have chosen. And the next is the resume. You can see there. And the last one is the references letter. Now we will continue to the videos that Jali and I have been working on so far. It is a mock interview videos, which Jali will be the interviewer, while me myself will be the interviewee, answering all the questions. So stay tuned.
So my first question is, why do you want to join our company?
I have seen your company Petrofec all around the place consistently listed as one of the top places to work. I've also heard about your reputation in the industry, and I would be proud to work for a company with such an excellent track record and a strong example of leadership in the industry. I have a friend that works in the accounting department, and he told me that the culture here is top-notch and that management supports continuing education and learning on the job while rewarding hard work, and it is every engineers like me, it is our dream workplace. I think that I would fit in perfectly with the team here to make an immediate impact.
I see. So what do you like the most about my company?
As we all know, Petrofec was successful in achieving and securing $120 million in EPS awards a few years ago, executing on the group's objective to position engineering and production services (EPS). It's an exceptional achievement, which we all know it is not easy to achieve. Besides, in the few years back, Petrofec was also offered a contract by Petronas, which is one of the largest companies in the oil and gas service industries, with the contract valued at approximately 280 millions. As you can see here, attracting the attention of all the major corporations is difficult, and that is what Petrofec always does. Petrofec's achievements are just remarkable, making it an outstanding and dream company to work, and for sure, I want to be a part of the team that achieves a lot of success.
Why the company should choose you to join our organization?
First and foremost, I received my degree in electrical engineering 2 months ago from University of Malaya, which is one of Malaysia's top engineering universities. Furthermore, I graduated with a 3.9 GPA and was awarded Best Chancellor while I was there. Enough of that, I believe that my strongest asset is the ability to solve problems quickly and efficiently. I can see any given situation from multiple perspectives, which makes me uniquely qualified to complete my work even under challenging conditions. Other than that is my willingness to step in when needed. I'm not afraid to take on a difficult client or do a project that nobody else wants, because those are the ones that teach me the most. My capacity to see and decide on all possibilities, as well as the ability to operate under pressure, are also vital in this profession, which will undoubtedly require all of these skills in the future projects.
So my next question is, how do you think that you can contribute to our company as the new graduate?
I cannot deny that I am lack of experience. However, my organizational skills and ability to work well in a group are my valuable assets. I can work around your schedule to fit in wherever you need me. I am convinced that my abilities will help your organization succeed. I have teamwork skills that will help your business run more smoothly. I know how to play to my strengths and my technical abilities, and I am also willing to offer up my time and efforts so that the company can develop. If you give me the chance, I will show you why it is the best decision you've ever made and how I can contribute to the company's continued success.
My last question is, what are your salary requirements?
As a newcomer, salary is not my top priority. This is a significant platform for me to begin my career, and I also want to improve my knowledge and skills while gaining more experience. So I expect a substantial salary commensurate with my abilities and your company's norms that will meet my financial needs. Thank you. Okay, my first question is, what aspect of our company, product, or team interests you the most?
I was watching an interview with your CEO about your product that aims to disrupt the lending industry. Streamlining arduous tasks like loan application has huge potential. I think the growth in this sector over the last year is a big indication of things to come. Additionally, I am excited by the untapped potential of blockchain technology you have recently decided to incorporate. I see this as giving your company the competitive advantage in this space, as the verifiable auditability will reduce compliance costs.
I see. The second one is, what programming languages are you familiar with?
I am proficient in Java, C++, JavaScript, C#, Ruby, and Python. Of this programming language, I feel most comfortable working with Java, C#, and C++. In my previous role, I worked mainly with Java to create applications that work across multiple platforms. I also use C++ to develop a new operating system that works with the application I engineered. Using C++, I was able to improve my productivity when developing web-based apps and softwares.
Can you describe the last project you worked on, including any obstacles and your contributions to its success?
A previous employer tasked me with creating an internal online learning and training program for employees. The purpose of the program was to make sure all employees received proper training on certain topics, including customer service, compliance with legal requirements, and workplace ethics. I began by researching other similar training to figure out what worked and what didn't. Next, I used Java to code a simple program, which I then used to upload training courses. After testing the simplified program, I added elements to make it more engaging to employees, such as games and interactive quizzes. This program was well received by the employees of the organization, and their customer service success rates increased by 25% after all team members took the required course.
How do you determine a project success?
Before a project is even started, success metrics are laid out. I will identify the key performance indicator that we are hoping to impact and begin gathering information to formulate ideas. These ideas are stated as a foreseeable hypothesis. For example, we believe that reducing checkout steps will increase sales conversion. An increase of 2% will be considered a positive signal. This will keep the team focused on the impact of our project on the business bottom line.
And my last question is, how do you think you can contribute to our company?
I've managed the development of cutting-edge system architecture using C#, .NET 4.0, CSS3, JavaScript, and the MySQL RDBMS. I played a key role in the development of various internal systems, including order input tools, conversion monitoring, and production process tracking, as well as custom REST APLS in the Laravel PHP, Node.js, and Python. I've also worked efficiently on strategies with our technology QA and marketing teams to provide the best users experience and increase brand equity. It will be a delight to learn more about Omninet Technologies requirement, and I would appreciate the opportunity to share more about my project management experience, professional expertise, personal qualities, and proven track record in developing operating income web technology that are compatible with multiple portals, web page, and system.